Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly cut a squeegee with a wooden handle using a miter saw. The squeegee I'm working with is 1 meter long, but I'm only going to cut it down to the size I need, which is 6 inches. First, I'll measure and mark the wooden handle with a pen. Now, as you can see, I've marked it at 6.1 inches. This is because the blade of the miter saw is 1 millimeter thick. And marking it at 6.1 ensures I get the exact measurement I need. Next, I'll place the squeegee on the miter saw and make the cut. After cutting, I'll use some sandpaper to smooth out the edges of the wooden handle, making it nice and clean. And there we go. The squeegee is now cut down to the perfect size, exactly 6 inches. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.